नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम इन्नल्लाह ला युग़य्यिरु मा बिक़ौमिन हत्ता युग़य्यिरु मा बिअन्फुसिहिम सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। Honorable judges, teachers and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today, I would like to present my views on the topic about which most of our ulamas, Islamic philosophers should and still shouting. It is downfall of Islam, raising of Dajjali Illuminati. Why it is so happening? What are the main reasons? Can't we face these challenges? Can't we rectify them? Can't we literate the coming generation regarding these things? Then why can't we? Please listen. It is very important for all of us to think and understood. Otherwise we can't escape from our almighty sustainer, cherisher, the one and only Allah on the day of judgment. My dear respected listeners, every person is having two obligations in his life. One is live for himself. It means for his family, wife and children. If we can see, animals are also satisfying this obligation. And the second obligation is the person who lives for himself and for the community, society. Just you turn the pages of Islamic history, the prophets, the sahabiyas, the tabain, the tabain, the uliyas, the muhaddisin, the mufakkirin, the fuqahas, ulamas, they sacrificed their lives by all means. Why? It is sensed the taste of life. Because they had understood the love and affection of Allah. They had followed each and every rule of Allah. They had explained the real way of success. They faced many challenges but never gave away the mission. What do I explain? How can I explain? The libraries are filled with the real fragrance of Islam. Due to their sacrifices, the mission Islam Iman had spread all along the continents. The Dajjali emperors rooted down in front of these slaves of Allah. They defined the way of life, designed the way of ambition, they determined the way of mission, they defected the biggest throne of the world, never cared about lakhs of enemies even with few thousand of military forces. The American and Russian empires lost their dignity. Who defected them? The only concept of Islam, the life that they have lived for Allah and the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. No technology, no power. The power is the only power that has superpower. Allahu Akbar. My dear respected listeners, if I continue to explain, the day won't be enough. So getting education is not only important, like that if we see most of ulamas, Hufaz are present. If we see the power, we have 170 crore Muslim population, 56 countries under the ruling. But we are oppressed. Why? Al-Mian Nadwi Rahmatullah Alayhi said in 1963, "Oh my dear Muslim, just namaz, roza, hajj, Aadhar, ration card never save our life until and unless we live like our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam." Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad said, "One who lives for himself, not for the community, society, is like a deadly living body. Zinda lash." You see everywhere community targeted are Muslims. If we see more or less 2 crores of our brothers and sisters were killed from Syria, Yemen, Afghanistan, Kashmir, Palestine. Who is responsible? Why we are unable to do so? Why we are becoming coward? Why we are not promoting our children towards education? Why we are ulamas, fuqahas not promoting towards education? Why our ulamas not explaining the Islamic legendary bravery sacrifices of ancestors? Please raise the voice, leave the criticism, join the hands, mold your life towards success. हमको मिटा सके ये ज़माने में दम नहीं, हमको मिटा सके ये ज़माने में दम नहीं, हमसे ज़माना खुद है, ज़माने से हम नहीं। वाखिरुद्दावाना अनिल हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।